Good morning, everyone. This is Echo. This is my Module 8, Unit 1, Activity 3. It's about my first student data collection. So in this audio, I'm going to talk about the following questions. The question number 1, what does the data show you? Well, currently I'm teaching second grade English, and I have 15 students. 12 of them are English language learners. They're bilinguals. So their English is still very great. Still, there are 2 students with some special needs. So, for example, one student, he couldn't really focus and he has to move around in the classroom. He cannot sit still. Another student, he has poor vocabulary, poor writing skills, and reading skills. I think because his lack of practice. That's how I feel about those students. And in those students, half of them, I think they are very advanced readers and writers, and another half, they kind of struggle, especially with peer working. That's what I can see from my data. Question number 2, are there areas that need improvement? Yes, according to this data, I have 8 students. They are quite insufficient, which means they does not collaborate with peers or demonstrate problem-solving skills. And also I have some basic students, which means they are kind of minimally collaborate with peers and, not really focus on the problem-solving skills. So I'd like to take those 8 students as the main areas I can focus. So I would promote peer work a little bit more, teamwork more. So on the first lesson, I let them to use actual objects to lay out the addition problems that I give to them. And 2 tables, they are struggling. They prefer to do the individual work, so it actually fits my data. So these are the areas I'd like to improve in the future. Question number 3, what are the areas of strength and growth that you see? Well, I do have 7-ish students. They're very good at peer engaging, and also they're very active in the problem solving. So as for those students, I'd like to give them some more challenging work, like more reading and writing, and I'd like to ask them to do a little bit better in a group presentation. Question number 4, how will you use the data to drive your instruction and instructional focus in upcoming lessons? Well, according to the data, I'd like to use different techniques when I teach. So for the student who are a little bit struggle, I'd like them to focus on the vocabulary and form the structure of sentences. I'd like them to be fluent in speaking and listening first, and then we improve about group work later. And as for second half students, they're quite advanced readers and writers. I'd like to give them more challenging work in reading and writing when we're doing our class practice. Also, I'm looking for a better group presentation from them. So, thank you for listening. Have a good day.